So today I am reviewing these squishy toys with a little, my kids love these things, and I thought it would be fun to get some. One of our son's teachers has these in the reward bag, so I decided since this is so many, I might send some in for her to use in the reward bag at school. Let's open up some. Oh my gosh, I like this one. It's so cute. I really love the texture of these, the kind of smooth, almost matte feeling. I don't know how else to describe it. But they're just really cute and squishy. When my husband saw I bought these, he was like, oh, we didn't need more of those. It's like, yeah, but they're so fun. Look at them, a little chick. Oh, this one looks tiny. What is this? I think a lion, maybe? I actually really kind of like the ones that lay, the way they, I like the way they lay flat. Oh, tiny little squirrel. A panda bear. Oh, I'm gonna open a panda bear. Wait, is this an adorable little panda bear? There's just a ton of different ones. I think Octopus, maybe? What is this? Oh, I'm definitely opening this because it is a purple elephant, which is just adorable. This little nose. Oh, a yellow cat. A turtle. Oh my gosh. I have a kid who's really into silkies. So this little seal will definitely be a favorite of theirs. So I'm not going to open them all because I'm going to send some to school for his teacher to use. But yeah, all in all, these are really cool.
These are like big on TikTok. I don't know, stuffed animals are big. So this is the TeeTurtle. It's the octopus. That comes in so many different colors. But what you do is you turn him around. So it's happy. And then he's sad. And then there's different faces you can get. But I thought this one was kind of just cute colors, especially like with her bedding. And it has, is that right? It has almost 50,000 reviews. It's the Reversible Octopus by TeeTurtle. It's only like 6.5 inches. I don't know. The Today Show called it like the Beanie Babies of 2021. It also comes in like unicorns and narwhals and different things, but I think this is the one that like TikTok made famous, and this is the one my daughter wrote a list, and this is one of the things that was on her list that she really wanted. So again, I'm thinking she's almost 11. Does she really want this? But I guess she really wants it, and they're really popular.